Should you do like a little bit more? Because those berries were so tart.
Nah.
Okay. You heat it on like medium?
Till it comes to a boil. So you sort of have to keep an eye on that. That's just a half.
So it's what, 1.5 of those in this bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, it's cream cheese and a 1/3 cup of sugar, and you're supposed to beat it. And we've had this cream cheese sitting out for like 6 hours. Is this your famous recipe?
Dad's famous recipe.
It's my dad's famous recipe. Okay, it's 1/3 of a cup of milk into that. Calvin, you hate food, but you love the kitchen. Okay, these are boiling.
Okay, and take just,
Turn the heat off?
yeah. Make sure they're not sticking or anything, are they?
No.
Okay. Ready. Okay, now.
Okay, so according to her, once it boils, you turn the heat off
Okay.
and remove it. 1/3 of a cup of oats. Of the quick oats, right? Or does it matter?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, now it's 1 cup and 1/8 of Bisquick into this.
What I did was I used a half a thing, a cup, and stuck it in here.
Well, you asked for that one.
Oh.
Calvin. What, then you just mix that up too?
I think maybe we should not put that much milk in there, but that's all right.
I think it's fine. It looks good.
Okay.
She's, you know, checking my dad's recipe.
Stone biscuit, okay. Spread 2/3. I just eyeball it.
What, 2/3 into the pan?
Yeah.
Do you actually like spread it?
Yeah, that's why I needed that offset spatula. Which, it works best if you...
What was that? Can you do that face again?
Because you're supposed to...
This is a Rachel Ray in here. That looks good. Should we tell the people your trick?
It's not working very well.
Well, she sprayed the back of the spoon with this, so it wouldn't stick. I I mean, does it have to be perfect?
Well, on mine it was.
Oh, okay. In this kitchen, it has to be perfect.
But I guess it doesn't, so. Berries. Alright. Make sure it's all spread out.
Look at our mess.
I missed?
Our mess.
Oh.
I missed. Oh, and then
make
you just
little-
make dollops.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just call this Dad's famous Blackberry Cobbler.
Whatever.
I almost said casserole. It's a dessert casserole. And this is half the recipe, right?
Yeah.
Calvin, is that your new toy? Yeah? $30 minutes? 35?
Let me see.
30 or 35 minutes.